In this video, we would learn to publish a cookbook to Chef Supermarket. Chef Supermarket is a community site for cookbooks and recipes. We can share our cookbook with the users of the Chef community. All the Chef users have access to it. Either we can use public supermarket hosted by Chef software, or we can create our own private supermarket in our internal network. To start with, we would log into supermarket.chef.io. We can log into this portal using our Chef login ID. So if you see, on clicking on sign in, it directs me to id.chef.io, and on signing into it, it asks whether we want to authorize Chef Supermarket to use our Chef account. I'll click on yes, and I'm back on my supermarket web page. If we have accounts from before and you have shared any cookbooks, you can find them below. And you can also search for any community cookbooks using the search bar. When we share our cookbooks in the community, we have to be the author or the maintainer of the cookbook. So for that, I will have to use the Chef user's PEM key files while creating and sharing the cookbook. So let's generate that. I'll go to id.chef.io. I've clicked on signed in as Mamta Jha, and then I'll click on get a new key. This will download the key to my local machine. Let me copy the key and place it to our Chef workstation. We would need this key on Chef workstation because we would do our cookbook development, creation, and even upload using Chef workstation. I'll copy the contents of this key file. Now let's go to Chef workstation. Under .chef directory in Chef repo, I would create a file with my username called as mamtajha.pem, and I'll paste the content over here and save and quit. I'll move to the cookbooks folder, and we would generate a new cookbook with the new user credentials. Chef generate cookbook with the cookbook name and -c with the user who's creating. I'm specifying Jenkins CI/CD as the cookbook name and -c and my username as Mamta Jha. The cookbook would be generated. Yes, it is. I will not make any changes to this. If you see, all the files are present. Rather, I'll upload this cookbook as it is to the Chef Supermarket. We can use knife supermarket command to work with Chef Supermarket. We can download or install cookbooks from the community. We can also list the community cookbooks. And in case we want to search for some cookbooks, we can use the search command. And share is the subcommand to publish the cookbook to the Chef Supermarket community. So let's use that. Knife supermarket share cookbook. I would specify the cookbook name. Let me copy Jenkins -CI/CD. And I would specify the username and the user keys. So username was Mamta Jha, and the key we have placed in .chef directory. mamtajha.pem was the file name, so we would use that. And with this, we would publish the cookbook. So let's go to the web page and verify if the cookbook is published. Let's click on view all of your cookbooks, and you would see that is listed. Let's scroll down and see if Jenkins CI/CD is listed. Yes, it is. You can even verify the version of the cookbook. Here, I can upload multiple versions of the cookbook. We can also use show command to list more details. And if at any point I want to unshare the cookbook, I can even do that. So in the next video, we would learn to create cloud infrastructure using Chef. So see you then.